Problem 1.2. Assume that each atom is a hard sphere with the surface of each atom in contact with the surface of its nearest neighbor. Determine the percentage of total unit cell volume that is occupied in a simple cubic lattice, a face-centered cubic lattice, body-centered cubic lattice, and diamond lattice. The atomic packing factor, that is APF, is equals to volume of atoms in the unit cell over volume of the unit cell multiplied by 100%. Also, the volume of a sphere atom is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is equals to atomic radius and a is equals to lattice constant. A simple cubic lattice, atoms per unit cell is equals to 1 and A is equals to 2r for simple cubic lattice. Therefore, the APF is equals to 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube, which is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 2r cube, which is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 8r cube. Therefore, on solving this, we get APF is equals to pi by 6, which is approximately equals to 0.5236, or it is 52.36%. B. Face-centered cubic lattice, that is FCC. Atoms per unit cell is 4 and A is equals to 2 root 2 R. Now APF is equals to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube over A cube, which is equals to 16 by 3 pi r cube divided by, we will substitute the value of A, so it is 2 root 2 r cube, which is equals to 16 by 3 pi r cube divided by 16 root 2 r cube. Therefore, on solving this, APF is equals to pi over 3 root 2, which is approximately 0.7405, or APF is equals to 74.05%. C. Body-centered cubic BCC lattice. Atoms per unit cell is equals to 2 and A is equals to 4r upon under root 3. Now APF is equals to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube over A cube. We'll substitute the value of A and simplify this. we have 8 by 3 pi r cube over 4r upon under root 3 whole cube, which is equals to 8 by 3 pi r cube upon 64 r cube upon 3 root 3. So on solving this, we have APF is equals to 3 root 3 pi upon 8 root 3 or pi root 3 upon 8, which is approximately equals to 0.6802 or it or APF equals to 68.02%. Now we will solve for D. Diamond lattice atom per unit cell is equals to 8 and A is equals to 8r upon under root 3. This is for diamond structure. Now the APF is equals to 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon a cube, which is equals to, we'll substitute the value of A over here. We have 32 by 3 pi r cube upon 8r upon under root 3 whole cube, which is equals to 32 by 3 pi r cube upon 512 r cube upon 3 root 3. Therefore, APF is equals to 3 root 3 pi upon 16 root 3, which is equals to pi root 3 upon 16, which is approximately equals to 0.3401 or 34.01%.